Yeah, it's record started. Okay, good. Okay, so let me introduce myself, guys. Myself, Amar. So I'm the trainer here. I do have overall 10 years of experience, 10 plus years of experience. Okay, into IT industry. Then into DevOps, since 5 years I'm working. Okay, so almost training also, guys. Before I was a Linux admin, and before that also, like before DevOps also, I used to give trainings on Linux. So once I started DevOps, so the here also like I started giving trainings on Linux. So almost like 5 to 6 years training experience I have till now. Okay, so this is about my background, guys. I'm based out of Hyderabad only, and here only I'm working. So that is about my background. Maybe guys, can you please introduce yourself just to the class? Just your good name and your maybe background. If so, just few words similar to me. Yeah. So I can see Amar Singh. Amar Singh, are you there? Mm, I'm not sure. I can see speaker is not there for you. Okay. So hi Chandrakant.
Yeah, hi Amar. Coming to my name is Mr.Naveen Reddy. I'm also working in Hyderabad only.
Mhm. Okay.
Yeah, currently I am Python developer. Now I want to convert DevOps methodology.
Okay. Okay. Good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So next, Dhanashree. Hi Dhanashree.
Yeah, hi, this is Dhanashree. I'm basically from Bangalore. I'm currently working in Bangalore as a database admin.
Okay. So yeah, next Manoj. Hi Manoj.
Hello, sir. Good morning. Good morning, all. My name is Manoj Kumar. I'm a fresher, uh, and I am
Okay.
from Nellore.
Okay. Yeah. So I can see one more Manoj Kumar. Is it you or different Manoj?
Manoj Anantaraju is.
Okay. So I can see Manoj Kumar. Hi Manoj Kumar.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, hi, Amar.
Yeah. Hi. Yeah. Hi.
Yeah, this is Manoj
Hi.
Kumar. I worked as in developer in Infosys. Now I'm looking forward to join in Devops.
Okay. Good. Yeah. So next, hi Shiva. Shiva, are you there?
Hi, Amar. Hi.
Yes, Shiva.
Hi,
Tell me.
also. Basically, I'm Shiva. I'm based out of Bangalore. Currently, I'm working on ITOM and ITS, and that is basically discovery and asset management. So
Oh.
that itself is basically a networking background. So I was considering maybe DevOps as an option to explore. So that's the reason I'm here.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So next,
Yeah. Thank you.
Srinivas. Hello, Srinivas.
Hi,
Srinivas, are you able
my
to?
name is Srinivas. Sorry, I was on
Yes.
mute. Uh,
Yeah.
Currently, I'm a SharePoint developer, and I would like to change my career into DevOps. So that's the reason I joined this session.
Okay. Great. Yeah. Next, hi Subhasri.
Hi, sir. This is Subhasri and I'm currently working on Genpact as a Java developer. So right now I'm looking for the DevOps engineer. That's the reason I joined.
Okay, that's great. Yeah. Hi, Yoga Sai. Hello, Yoga Sai. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sai. Tell me.
Yeah, myself Yoga Sai. I'm from Guntur, Andhra Pradesh.
Okay.
I'm from non-IT background. I'm from civil engineering department. I'm a fresher. I want to move to IT sector.
Definitely, definitely. Sai, you can make it. So next, Amar Singh. Are you able to hear me now?
Hello, sir. Good morning. This is Amarender Busani On.
Yeah.
Actually, I have a 8-year experience in the L2 as well as L3 support in Java, Java as well as Linux as well as SQL, and I have good knowledge of some tool like Splunk. Is it? I mean, is it good for me to right now from here to switch in DevOps?
So good question. Definitely, like I can answer your questions. Okay, so definitely. So by the end of this class, you'll get the clarification.
Should I move from this profile to support to?
I'm
Oh,
sorry, Amar. I'm sorry, you're saying something. Can you please repeat that?
no, no. I'm asking that is it good to me? Yeah, is it good
Yes,
to me that should I switch from L2 support to DevOps?
definitely,
Okay.
definitely, guys. I will
And
clarify your.
how should I plan for this?
Yes, that's what. Maybe like here we do have different like maybe platform, different guys from different platforms. Some guys who are from non-IT background. Some guys are from even IT but different platform, different experiences, right? So even freshers also we do have. So definitely, guys, for everybody, this is the right time to move into DevOps career. Okay, so because nowadays DevOps has a huge market and anybody can switch to DevOps career, guys, DevOps role. Okay, it's very easy to learn and very but you need again, guys, you have to spend a quality time here. Okay, as part, just a minute, guys. I'm sorry, actually, little cold and cough I have today. I'm sorry.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so definitely anybody can jump into DevOps now. It doesn't matter, guys. You are a fresher, you are an experienced guy with non-IT, maybe some other platform or non-IT guy. Okay, doesn't matter. All you need is please spend some quality time, minimum 2 to 3 hours per day. Okay, so that is my assurance, guys. So like what I am going to provide in my classes, so I'm going to show everything theoretically. Plus, here tasks are very important, guys. Day to day life. So projects are important. What we do in real time. Okay, as a DevOps admin, what you have to do in a real time. In a once you get a project and all, how it would be. So those kind of tasks I'm going to give it to you guys as part of our class. Every day you'll get number of tasks, guys. Minimum 3 to 4 hours you have to spend apart from class. Because simply listening class won't help you at all, guys. That too, we cannot cover everything also in class because DevOps is a huge things, huge topic, huge tools. It's not a single tool, guys. Set of tools we do have. So every tool you should have some minimum knowledge, guys. So whoever already has experience also. Example, now currently some guys has 5 years or 6 years experience. Now how can I, maybe you may ask, how can I go with 6 years of experience into like DevOps experience? So in that case, you can do one thing. Okay, so like while preparing resume, 3 years you can make it with your existing maybe current skill set, and you can show that last 3 years only I'm working as a DevOps admin. So in that way, you can reduce your burden. So don't put 6 years DevOps. Okay, you cannot maintain. Definitely without experience, you cannot maintain. Whatever the class topics, whatever the task I am going to give. So by going through these things and all, minimum you can make it 3 years. That is my assurance. Okay, so but all you need is quality time. Spend quality, don't miss the classes. Spend quality time. Minimum 2 to 3 hours you have to spend per day, guys, at any cost. Then only you can make it. Okay. That's how you have to manage, guys. So definitely, Amar, it's a right time to move into DevOps career. Nowadays, it's a DevOps is a huge. Just a minute, guys. Yeah. Okay. So definitely, guys, it's a like better opportunity nowadays. Requirement also like a huge requirement you have. Okay, so in today's class, guys, I'm going to explain about SDLC. Okay, how real-time project would be, what exactly in IT team we used to do. Okay, then after what is DevOps? Maybe like what is DevOps and its advantages. So then after maybe what I can provide. Prerequisites for our class. Okay, maybe prerequisite means who is eligible. Prerequisite, what I can provide. Timings. Okay, so guys, these are the things I'm going to show today. This is my agenda. Okay, so let me show in a diagrammatical way, guys. What exactly happened in real time in IT field, IT companies. You may have seen, you may have heard like IBM, CTA, again, so many IT companies, Honeywell, right? What they used to do, these IT employees, we used to call them like maybe they are working for projects. So what does that mean, project? Yeah, definitely. So everybody, can you do one thing? Let me do one thing. Can you please maybe at the end of course, okay, I'll send like one thing. So I'll talk about that later. Okay, at the end of course. Definitely course tools also. Like I'll talk to you everybody, guys, individual. Maybe I'll ping you everybody. So okay, so I'll let me continue this. Then after I'll add that. Okay. So what exactly in a real time day-to-day life, what an IT employee used to do in a company? Okay, guys, I'm sorry if anybody already like has this experience. Definitely, who are working like maybe whoever has IT experience, please bear with me 15 minutes. So because here freshers are there, so like I would like to give a full clarity what is IT project and all. So then after I'll come to DevOps part. Okay. So
Hi,
guys,
Amar.
is it for everybody? So Amar is saying that he is not able to hear. Are you able to hear me?
Hi, Amar.
Yes. So guys, can you please just a minute, guys. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, tell me, guys. I hope you are able to hear me. Always, guys, try to speak out because I don't see the chat box. Okay, so chat box again, it's like until unless I open the chat box, then only I can see the chat. So
Hi,
always, please try to speak out. Yeah.
yeah, hi, Amar. This is Suresh. Actually, I have joined just now. Sorry for delay. What was the content was happened? How much content I missed?
Nothing. Just I given my introduction and I asked everybody introduction. So what you are doing? What is your background, Suresh?
Uh, my background is I am a Java developer.
Okay. So how much experience you have?
I have around 6 years of experience in that one. I have in Java. I worked for 4 years. Remaining is 3 years. Total 7 years.
Okay, no problem. So in that way, like again, some students asked me, like, can we move from other background to developer, DevOps admin and all? So definitely, you also can move. Okay, so you can make it maybe 4 years Java, maybe 3.5 years Java, 2.5 years DevOps, something like that in your resume. So in that way,
Yeah.
okay. So this is today's agenda. I'm going to start the first agenda now. Okay.
Okay.
So what is this?
Amarender,
Yeah.
actually, what are the content you are going to cover means like
Yes,
Docker,
everything
Kubernetes?
I will tell you. Everything I will give you. Okay, don't worry about that.
Okay.
Yeah, let me start my agenda first. Maybe I'll show that content. Maybe I'll give. So I'll create a WhatsApp group. Don't worry. There we can discuss everything, the course content and all. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Amar.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Bye.
Okay. Okay. So guys, let's take WhatsApp. I know. I hope everybody know WhatsApp. What is WhatsApp, guys? Hello, guys. What is WhatsApp? I'll give you a basic idea like how the real-time project would be, guys. What day-to-day life the IT employee will do in his life. That is what I'm going to show you now. Then after I'll come to DevOps part, so that it will be very easy to you can understand what exactly DevOps and all. So guys, WhatsApp. Let's take WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is a chatting tool, guys, communication tool. So generally what I can do audio calling, video calling, group calling, so many functionalities I do have. So how this functionality is working, guys? How this mobile application working? Actually, guys, it's not something like I have WhatsApp and you have WhatsApp. Because of that, I am chatting with you. I am able to do audio calling with you, guys. It's not like that. Okay, so again, that supported. So here your WhatsApp has only settings. Okay, nothing. You're saying WhatsApp has just an application options and settings. That's it. Nothing is there. It's not like because of that WhatsApp I'm able to talk to you. Again, there is some backend support applications also will be there, guys. WhatsApp application. So definitely there will be a data center for WhatsApp organization. Data center is nothing but a big building with their own hardware, guys. Example, this is one data center. Okay, so there are their hardware is there. On top of it, applications, operating systems. On top of each operating system, different applications running. Supported application for your each functionality, guys. Example, when I do audio calling, it's not direct call between you and me. Definitely, it should connect to that audio calling supported application. From there, it will connect to you, guys. Okay, so these servers, whatever the applications, whatever the servers they're maintaining, right? These are called as production servers, guys. Production servers means so where the customer directly interacting. You don't know that what server it is, what application it is, but in WhatsApp organization, somewhere in that secure location, they're maintaining these production servers, their data center supported application. In the same way, guys, they will maintain similar setup. Okay, two more also, not only production data center. Guys, so there will be 3 data center, maybe within a data center, different rooms, I can say. So development servers, testing servers, same setup will be there, guys. Same server, same applications running in everywhere, every data center, development data center, same servers. Server is nothing but operating system, guys. So generally we use our laptops, right? In the same way to maintain this set of applications, okay? They will use again that hardware is different, guys. I will show that hardware also. Okay, so on top of it, if they install operating system, that is called as server. Server is nothing but so there's some application running it that they are serving the request. So example, now I do audio calling. So this is one of the Linux box, maybe operating system. So it has a supported application. When I do audio calling to you, it connected to, so it's serving me. So that's what server. Data center means big building. Server is nothing but your operating system where you have your supported application. So there are different set of servers, guys. Development server, quality testing server, production server. Minimum 3 set of environment will be there. 3 set of data center they will make. Every project, not only WhatsApp, guys. Example, I'm taking WhatsApp. Okay, IT employees. Example, guys, this is my IT company. Somewhere in WhatsApp, I'll assume that I'm in Hyderabad. My company is Hyderabad. Okay, so I'm in high tech city. So all IT people will sit in Hyderabad. This is my IT company. Okay, so these are laptops. Maybe you will be sitting here, not in data center, guys. IT employees for WhatsApp, they will sit in here in IT company, not in data center. Here data center, nobody will be allowed because the data, the files, the servers, they should be in a secure zone. Even guys, IT employees also won't be allowed there. Only data center engineer to maintain the hardware. Only he will be allowed. Remaining everybody, so nobody will be allowed into data center. Very, very secured data servers, guys. Secure location, they will maintain the data center. So here, why do they need again 3 set of data centers? So guys, if you take WhatsApp, so WhatsApp doesn't have all the functionalities initially, right? Only chatting. Thereafter, they added audio calling, they added video calling, they added group chatting, they added payments, different things they added slowly. So I'm sorry, guys. So here, what happened means always the employees, the IT companies, the here developer will be there, application guy will be there, system admin will be there. So they will manage, they will connect over the network to these servers, and here only they will develop the new things, guys. Always they won't touch this production server at all. Okay, always they will touch this development servers only. Here only they will do new settings, new developments, writing Java code, .NET code, C, CPP, whatever it may be, and new configurations. Here only they will do developments. Then after that developed product, example, they developed audio calling. Now here the same setup they will implement here. Now tester, automation, manual tester will be there, right? Selenium and all. So they used to write test cases here. In this is one more setup. Here what will happen? Your tester will run the test cases. Maybe how my application working. How is there any security problems in my application, my code? How the quality of the code is there? Everything he will test. If everything fine, then only we'll implement the same setup in production, guys. Now we'll release into Play Store. Maybe with this setting, with this server setting, we'll create a small application and we'll release into market, Play Store or App Store. Now Amar will be notified. Hey Amar, you got a latest application now. Please go ahead and download. So I'll download, I'll upgrade my application. So now onwards, I can be able to communicate with audio calling server. This is what happening, guys, every day. So example, now audio calling release, immediately your management will announce, hey guys, we are going to start video calling. So again, in development only will start. So always development will, here new developments will happen in this set of servers. Because why not? Why like in production servers they are not doing directly, means something happen here. Example, while developing something, existing product might be disturbed. So I don't want to do that. That's the reason. In development, that's fine. Even something disturbed also, no problem. Nobody is using, because my customer is using these servers, not these servers. So your application will get the settings, guys. Don't worry. So how I know that which server I am using? So actually, when I install my application, WhatsApp application, I'll get those settings. Okay, that's where I'm able to connect not only WhatsApp, audio, anything, Facebook, YouTube.com, Twitter.com. So it will connect to those servers, guys. From there only you will get the data. So this is a commonly used like life cycle, guys, for your product, for your software. So this is called a software development life cycle. So any software, any application, any functionality, okay, so compulsory they use this methodology only, this procedure only, guys. SDLC, this is called as software development life cycle. It doesn't matter, Facebook, Twitter, everything it starts with SDLC only. Okay, it has different phases, guys. Again, analysis, maybe like like I just given overview, right? Now I'm going to give the different life cycles. What happened exactly? Design, development, testing, release. Okay, so basically these are the life cycles, guys. These are the stages in SDLC. So example, my project is WhatsApp. So audio calling functionality like is my new project. Okay, new SDLC. So I'm going to start. Your management will announce, hey guys, we are going to start audio calling. So different teams will be available here. Application team will be there, database team will be there, developer will be there, system admin will be there. Okay, so again, your data center engineer will be there. Everybody will be involved here. Okay, so first analysis, guys. Example, whenever they announced audio functionality, maybe you may have heard some projects, some applications, they will announce 6 months before itself in the market. We are going to start audio calling. We are going to start video calling soon. That means they have started just now. They are in development phase. Okay, so in their project also they will call over the mail. They will send alert to everybody. So guys, we are going to start audio calling. Okay, so that's where SDLC will start. So analysis first. So all the teams get together. They'll talk to each other. What I can do with audio calling? How can I develop? Which application need? Internally, different application technologies will use, guys, for each based on product. So which technology I have to use? Who is responsible for which task? What is the cost? How many new servers required? Guys, real time, every application. Okay, example, now audio calling purpose, I need 5 applications. Maybe your application team will decide that. So every application needs separate server. We don't install in a same. So how many servers we need, that analysis will happen. Discussion. Okay, so discussions about your project. Now design your architect, exact roadmap, maybe blueprint. Your architect team lead will create a roadmap. Okay, who is responsible? Here, based on discussion, he'll create a roadmap. Now actual development will start. So first, so as I told you, how many new servers required for this audio calling functionality? Okay, immediately your system admin will talk to data center engineer. He will start working. Maybe your your data center engineer. No, AWS I don't cover much. Only like whatever we need, because this is not AWS course again. DevOps itself, we do have full like huge number of topics. Okay, so only like AWS around 10 to 15 services I'm going to cover, which are mandatory. Remaining like I don't cover. It's not full-fledged AWS course. Yeah. Okay.
Amar, actually, you're working on purely DevOps or AWS also?
Plus AWS plus DevOps.
DevOps work. Okay. In this course, you are going to cover how many services? AWS services?
Around 10 to 15 services.
10 to 15.
I will
Okay.
give the content. Okay, what are the things I'm going to cover? I will give you. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
So because guys, AWS again, it's a huge topic, right? Minimum 1.5 to 2 months it will take only for AWS. That full-fledged course I'm not teaching here because this is a DevOps concern project. Okay. So AWS minimum 10 to, so around 1 week, 10 days I'm going to cover this AWS. Okay. So here your system admin will talk to data center engineer over the email, over the call, over the chat. So your data center engineer will set up the hardware and he will give the IP address to your system admin. He will install the OS and applications here. Okay, so then after your developer will start development. So first system builds. System means server build. Okay, so operating system. Then after applications, required applications like Java, .NET, whatever the application you need, you will install. Then after, development will be started. Your developer will connect to this operating system and he started writing code, Java code, .NET code, C, CPP, whatever it might be, whatever they decided. So then again, different teams will be there, application team, database team. So they will do their related task based on this code. They will do the configurations and all based on this new version. So that is how it works, guys, development. So then after, so if once develop, maybe 1 month, 2 months. Okay, so after that, testing will be started. Yes. Anybody? Hello, guys. Anything you want to ask? Okay. So here, so example, once development started, maybe completed. So your management like will maybe review the things and all. How might that audio calling functionality working and all. Okay, verification completed. Assume that they finished. Okay, they feel it's fine. I'm good to go. So then your system admin again will talk to data center engineer. It will set up quality servers here for the same application. Okay, here your tester started working on testing, writing test cases. He will test the application like maybe security issues and all, everything. Okay, so then after, if everything test cases pass, then only we'll build again same set of servers in production with the same setup. Now we'll create a small client application for that WhatsApp. Then we'll release into Play Store and App Store. Now finally, customer will be upgraded that application and he will be able to do that application also, access that functionality also. Same again, next audio calling finished, testing finished, release fine. Now again so video calling, same. So same again, it's a life cycle, guys. It's a cycle again. Again, your management announce video calling, one more SDLC start.
So
Process,
what
guys.
kind of
Uh,
sorry for interruption. So
hmm.
what kind of hardware components they are installing for put additional features in that particular application?
Again, it's not based on hardware. Different application depends on application. Maybe like product, right? We cannot say something like for every project we cannot use the same kind of applications. Yes or no? So internally there will be. I will give some set of applications also. Let me show you what kind of applications they may use in real time. Just a minute. Just a minute, guys. So different set of applications we do have, guys. Okay. So let me show you that. Yeah. So are you able to see my screen? So guys, these are the different set of applications or tools or technologies they use in real time. Okay, different team works for that. Not only your team. See different technologies. Not only apart from DevOps tools. So different technologies, different applications. It depends on product. We cannot say like which product it will be. These are the commonly used products, applications. Okay. So based on that's where analysis will happen here. It's not like blindly they will go with which application and all. Analysis will happen. So which application is best like to go with to develop this audio calling functionality or video calling functionality. Okay, based on that they will decide it. Okay, are you clear?
Yes, sir. But you told me for to put audio functionality in the application, some hardwares are setting in the data center. So what kind of hardwares that it is?
Okay, you want to see data center, huh? So actually, nobody will be allowed to see the data center. Okay, so let me show how the data center would be. So guys, this is how the data center would be. This is what server, guys. No CPU, no monitor, no keyboard, no mouse. Only this one. See, this is your server.
Okay.
Only this one. Okay. Here, you will
Yes,
give
sir.
IP address for this server. So we have to connect over the internet. There is some tool. So basically, this is called as enclosure. Okay. See how much setup required: wiring, network setup, wiring, power setup, storage. So huge wiring setup required for hardware. This is how the data center would be, guys. This is just a minute. This is your server, guys. Okay, he will give IP address for this server. Over the network, you can connect to this net enclosure. You can install OS here. System admin will install the OS here. Okay, then on
Yes, sir.
top of it, you can install application. You can start development. So different applications, different. So we don't install say multiple application in a single server, guys. So in real time, that is not a best practice. That's the reason you will have huge servers. If it is WhatsApp, means thousands of servers required because different technologies they will use. Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So this is what, guys, every project. Example now video calling. So they will start again SDLC. So these are the phases they will do, guys. Okay. Now then, this is what is a real time project, guys. Really, maybe in every IT company, what we used to do means these are the things. Again, based on their tools, based on their technology, they may have different work again. How to do development, that is their responsibility, developer responsibility. Now, where is DevOps comes into picture in that real-time project? This is the question here. This is our actual question. Okay. So, guys, before that, let me talk about methods. Okay, there are different methods like we can achieve this SDLC process. Waterfall versus agile method. So there are two types of methods we can achieve SDLC method, guys. Okay, one is waterfall method, one more is agile method. What is waterfall method? Let's see that. Yeah. So guys, as I told you, yeah. So SDLC process, there are two methods, guys. Waterfall and agile method. Okay, so multiple are there, but these are the commonly used. But waterfall again, it's a very old method, guys. Means example, see, I have a 12 months target. Okay, maybe 10 months target. Example, assume that. So to develop some functionality, to develop some application. Okay, WhatsApp application I'm going to develop. So in waterfall method, guys, all the functionalities. Example, whatever I have in my mind. So I have chat, audio calling, video calling, all these functionalities in my mind to develop. So if I go with waterfall method, so requirement gathering for all the functionalities, not for single application, single functionality. So then after see 1.5 months only for example, I'm saying this, guys. It might take 6 months also. Okay. So 1.5 months, it's only for requirement gathering, discussions. Who is responsible for which task? How many servers I need? What is the cost? What is the due date? So then your architect again taking 1.5 months to make an exact roadmap. Here discussion, based on discussion, he'll design it. How many servers you need, who is responsible for which task and all. Now finally the system build, then code development. See, again 6 months it's taking because it's a huge responsibility, huge setup application you're developing, not a single application, single functionality. Then testing, then release into the market. Now, guys, but in this format, you have some problems. What problem in the sense? Until unless you release into the market, you don't know what exactly the customer is facing, what customer is expecting, whether like my application full-fledged is satisfied or not. Okay, we don't know that. Very difficult. The product may not be a quality product. Even though you delete, you tested properly, but everything we cannot 100% again quality we cannot maintain, guys. Even Facebook, anything, any application. So there is, so it's a failure method, guys. Waterfall method is failure method. So previous around 20 years back, something like that. So then Agile method comes into picture. What is Agile method mean? Same, this also to develop SDLC only. Okay, here what will happen means, instead of developing the whole functionality, maybe all the functionality at a single shot, okay, so I'll maybe divide the functionalities. Example, in Jan month, I'll start with only chatting, basic functionality. I don't go with audio calling, video calling. So that's a separate thing. First, I'll go with chatting only. So for chatting only, I'll get the requirements. So I'll complete the SDLC. So within 1.5 months, I'll release into the market. So maybe example 1.5 months I'm saying, but it can be 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, based on your setup, based on your product. Okay, so assume that like first I will release it into the market. Now in second month, I'll start developing a new functionality, example audio calling. But apart from audio calling, I'll in a back end, so I'll get a feedbacks from customers also. Maybe if you see Play Store and App Store, you can give your feedbacks. So we'll see those feedback, and those implementations also will do here. Not only new functionality, fixes in this functionality, in this starting, whatever the bugs I have, whatever the issues customer facing, whatever the expectations they have, I'll start working on them here. So new functionality plus old fixes. So I'll complete this again 1.5 month, 2 months, something like that. Again, third month, new functionality plus here and here. If I have any fixes, any bugs, any issues, I'll fix them here. I'll release into. So in that way, within the 10 months, here also I'm taking 10 months, but waterfall also I'm taking 10 months. But here, what happened? Every month I'm giving the releases. So in that way, final product will be quality product, guys. Why? Because every month you are fixing the issues also, not only developing new functionality. Okay, so this is what waterfall and agile method. Now I can say DevOps. So guys, generally example, this agile method you are taking 1 month, 1.5 month. Maybe here requirement gathering example one day, 2 day, 3 days. So analysis again 1 or 2 days. Design means again server builds means maybe it may take 1 week. Because again guys, in previous days, if you have your own data center, okay, it's very difficult. See the wiring, guys. See the setup. How much setup you need for your servers. So this is one server, guys. So our 1, 2, 3, 4, 16 servers will be there here. So this setup you need. Okay, huge time it will take. In previous days, there is no option, guys. Compulsory, you have to go with your own data center. Minimum to get the server required servers and all, you need 10 days, 1 week, 10 days, something like that, because that much setup required there. Network, so different teams involved, that too. Network team, database team, storage team, backup team, system admin, data center engineer, power admin. This many teams required to build your server. Because guys, while launching your new server, always you need a storage, you need a network for that server. Okay, different teams, one person cannot maintain. So here human resource also required more in previous days. Now as a DevOps admin, guys, nobody using like our own data centers. So most of the companies, they have started using some third party vendors, providers, guys. Here, that's where we used to call them as cloud providers, guys. Cloud providers. What is cloud means? So guys, there are some third party vendors. What they did, they created already, they established data center across the world. India, US, Canada, Singapore, China, Malaysia, everywhere they established the data centers, and they created one easy web application to access those data center. That is what we used to call it as AWS account, where we have to register with AWS. Example, AWS is one of the cloud provider, Azure, Google Cloud. So simple. Now onwards, what I will do, I'll create an account, I'll register account with AWS. So there itself, how many servers I need? Simply within like half an hour, not even half an hour. Within 10-15 minutes, I'll launch all my servers. I'll set up all the things, backup, storage, everything I will take care. I no need to have again different teams if I go with cloud. If you go with your own data center, you need different teams because one person cannot maintain those technologies. But cloud providers, what they did, they given us easy steps to do with to work with any service work technique. Okay, so again in that way you can reduce your time, guys. If I go with example AWS plus DevOps, if I go with AWS plus DevOps instead of your own data center, guys, simply what I can do, I can build my servers within half an hour, even 10, 20, 30, 50, 100 servers also. Within half an hour I can build. So that too reduced, your team size also can be reduced. Different teams not required. Storage team, network team, system admin, data center engineer, all these can be reduced if you go with AWS. Okay, that is one thing. So apart from that, okay, so that's fine. You got your servers ready. Okay, you launched, you installed applications. Now maybe around 20 servers you have. Okay, so 20 servers you have, new servers. Now you have to set up the things, applications, and maybe whatever the application you decided in SDLC, you have to install them. You have to start configurations. But again, if you do manually, one by one, guys, very difficult. Log into first server and do the setup, whatever you need. And log into second server, do your setup. Very difficult. So only for setting up, guys. Again, you are making ready. That's it. After that, again, developer comes into picture, application guy comes into picture. That is secondary case. Okay. So for setting up itself, this much time taking previously, but now it doesn't matter. 50 servers also, 100 servers also. I have new servers. Setup is very easy, guys. Again, you have DevOps. DevOps is not a single tool, guys. It's a culture. DevOps is a culture and set of tools. Different tools available, guys. Here, development plus operations. So everywhere we will be part, guys, here. Not only in development, everywhere, entire SDLC life cycle. So DevOps admin will play the role. Here, as I told you, server builds, we have to do that. Okay, then that too, like if you go with your own data center previously, very time taking process. But if you go with cloud now, hardly half an hour, you can launch even 100 servers also. And once you setup is like server build is okay, but what about the setup? Whatever the required applications? So your developer need to work on these servers. Means some the development application should be there. Then only you can write the code and all. Right. So the required applications and all we have to install, setup. Again, if you go manually, very difficult, time taking process. 1 month it will take only for setup for 50 servers. So that's where again DevOps tool comes into picture. Example, Ansible, guys. We'll set up one more server. Okay, we'll install Ansible here. That is one of the DevOps tool. Simple. With from that tool, guys, you can connect to any other server which is available in your data center, which is available in your network. I can connect to them, okay, in backend without login to each and every server. So example, I have 50 new servers. On top of it, I have to install some maybe my required application. Simple. From here itself, you can do your work, guys. You no need to log into those required those set of servers manually. Hardly within 1 day, I can complete my work. whatever I need from here itself. Again, see here what I am achieving by implementing Ansible here. I'm able to reduce the work. That configuration, that setup, I'm reducing within a 1 day instead of 1 week. So previously you need 5 to 6 people to do the same work. But now with Ansible, I am able to make within a 1 day with that to 1%, 1 or 2% maximum. See guys, this is one of the tool. Again, example, Docker. One more application, guys. One more DevOps tool. Okay. So can you believe that? Like maybe can you please guess sometime maybe to build a one server? Generally, to install operating system in your laptop, how much time it may take for you guys? To install operating system in your laptop, how much time it may take?
Yeah, 2
Hello, guys.
hours. 2 hours.
Right? Maybe not 2 hours, half an hour, 45 minutes, 1 hour. If it is your own data center, so maybe it would be 1 hour, 1.5 hours, something like that. Maybe AWS means 2 or 3 minutes. So can you guess with Docker to install an operating system? Anybody? Hardly, guys. You don't believe. 10-15 seconds to build a server, to build an operating system, to build a container. We used to call it as container. Hardly 10 seconds, 15 seconds, guys. See, everywhere by using DevOps tools, what you can achieve means, guys, you're not changing the same process only, guys. But instead of doing manually, you're trying to automate the things. Automation. Dependency reduced. Previously, you need a huge manual force, human resource to do the task manually. But the same thing, if I go with DevOps tools, okay, you can reduce the dependency, guys. No dependency required. Human resource dependency not there between the teams. Because my DevOps tools, if I integrate like any commands there. So some guys, one more thing, one example, developer started development. He written some code today.
Yeah,
Okay. Mm.
yeah, Amarender. Actually, automation means it takes the help of AWS. It will do automation with the help of AWS.
No, not only AWS. So there are many tools for that. So let me explain that. So example, guys, developer developing some code here. Okay, by connecting to this server, he write and some code. But how he will come to know that that code is correct, syntax is correct? Again, so he has some set of tasks, guys. After writing the code every time, okay, he has to build an application with that. There is some application required here. He has to run some set of commands again, build an application and verification, and again application team also they have to configure the related settings based on this code. So different tasks, routine tasks, guys, every time. So every developer, whenever he returns some code, so minimum 5 to like some set of tasks are there, routine tasks every time he has to run. So previously he used to do manually every time routine task. So now in that case, if example, one more DevOps tool called Jenkins, guys. Okay, somewhere in AWS or so I'll build one server, I'll install Jenkins application here. So, and Jenkins is very intelligent tool, guys. Very intelligent tool, Jenkins is. Here I can integrate all this, whatever the commands he is running every day, right? Not development task. Right? After writing the code, whatever the routine task he has, right? Routine commands. Those commands I'll add here into the Jenkins configuration. Very intelligent tool. Any application I can integrate with Jenkins. So now onwards, whenever developer returns some code, saved it, immediately he no need to go with other teams, or maybe he no need to run those commands manually. Automatically my Jenkins will come to know that something developer committed something, right? Written something, saved something. Immediately the other set of tasks he will my Jenkins will take care. So that is what automation. Automatically happening. You're not triggering actually. That's what automation. This is one of the example only, guys. There are so many things like that. Okay, whatever you do routine task. Okay, so time reduced. Again, cost cutting. So this many advantages, guys. If you go with DevOps, okay, there were DevOps tools in your project. Everywhere you can reduce your cost. Number of team, maybe team size can be reduced because you are doing automation everywhere, wherever possible, wherever routine tasks are there. Simply your DevOps admin comes into picture. We'll talk to that application. That comments we will take and we'll add it into our DevOps tool. Done. Completed. Automatically, or maybe if at all something you want to do like your own means, so you can go with Ansible. So like this, guys, there are different tools available in DevOps. Every tool works in a different way, different purpose. So all the tool by using DevOps, guys, you can do all these things. Automation of your project. Again, dependency reduced between the teams. You don't need multiple teams to do your task, routine tasks and all. Time reduced. 6 months project, I can make it with 3 months, guys. Obviously, machine made is very fast when compared to manual made. Also, quality will be improved, guys. Obviously, if you made with machines, examples, I have some set of commands. Every time I have to run. So if you're a developer, if you're manually doing, so maybe you may not so sometimes you may miss some steps. We ignored some errors. But in case of DevOps tools, if you go with DevOps tools, if you run the same commands, if something happened, some error, some warning message you got, immediately you will be notified. There is no point of ignorance. So quality also improved for your project. So this many advantages, guys. 6 months project, I can go with a 3 months. I can make it within 3 months, guys. Maybe 3 months project, 1.5 month. So that is the DevOps usage. That is where everywhere DevOps comes into picture, guys. Every organization they're trying to make DevOps everywhere. That's the reason, guys. Okay, so anybody can move into DevOps field. Doesn't matter. You are a fresher, you are a developer, you are a tester, you are a database guy, you are a system admin, you're a non-IT guy. But all you need is you have to spend time. You have to just learn these tools. There are huge number of tools in DevOps. So all the tools, you should spend quality time. You should complete my tasks, whatever I'm going to give every day. Not only the class nothing, 30% only, 70% tasks only. You have to complete them at any cost. Okay, so this is how DevOps works, guys. Yeah.
Actually, what is the prerequisite for this DevOps?
That's what I'm coming to that point only.
Okay, sure.
Sorry. So guys, here day-to-day life, I'm going to provide tasks. Okay, already I have Google Drive, guys, here. Okay, so I have a huge notes here. Interview questions, resumes. Okay, so DevOps class notes, already class notes, also ready-made notes is available. Okay, everything available, guys, here already. Okay, interview questions, also huge number of interview questions available here. You can go with those. Okay, so those things I'm going to provide. Here tasks are very important, guys. Okay, so you have to complete them. While doing, you have to do R&D. So mostly DevOps is R&D work, guys. Okay, so DevOps is R&D work. You have to improve that skill. That's the reason I'm giving more number of tasks. Minimum every tool I'm going to give 30 to 50 tasks, guys. Maybe questions or tasks for every tool. Those we can do in real time. So you can even explain them in interview and real time projects also. Like what are the things you have done means you can explain those tasks. These and these like I did in my projects, maybe my tasks. Who is eligible? Guys, anybody is eligible. It doesn't matter. Okay, anybody can learn this DevOps. There is no programming language included. Not required here. Programming language like Java, .NET, C, CPP. But the thing is, maybe shell scripting required. But if you are comfortable, if you can make it Linux, okay. So Linux is a prerequisite, guys. Linux operating system and AWS account. Everybody should have these two things: AWS account plus Linux OS. So first, I will start with these two things only, guys. I don't add you into DevOps directly, okay? Because first you need these things. You have
Okay,
to have basic knowledge of Linux at least minimum.
how much time you are going to spend on Linux, Amar?
Maybe like 1 week. Basics
1 week.
initially. Yes. But advanced again Linux shell scripting also I'm going to cover. Okay, their advanced commands. So now actually base Linux is 1 week. But day to day in DevOps class also you'll get so many Linux commands. So I don't want to explain there and here both multiple times. It's a time waste process, right? So that's where only basics to manage your Linux, how much technology, maybe commands you need. Those things I'm going to explain in the first week. Okay, but day to day DevOps class and day to day again while having shell script and all, you will get a huge topic again. So almost I can say 50 to 60% Linux will be covered in entire our class. Okay, but all you need is dedication, guys. So if you are comfortable with Linux, DevOps is nothing. Very, very easy, guys. Because on top of Linux only, we are going to implement our DevOps and all. Not on Windows. Okay, so please make sure that spend quality time, more time.
Okay, within 1 week you are going to cover the basic Linux commands, and after that regarding shell script.
Yes, maybe while having shell script or maybe while having DevOps and all, I'm going to cover remaining topics in the Linux.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So guys, these are the timings. All are Indian timings only, guys. For DevOps, these. So Linux only 1 week, guys. This timing is only for 1 week. So after Linux class, it will be DevOps. These timings, guys. You can choose one of the batch. This is how it works about the timings.
Sorry, Amar, I didn't get. Actually, the time is morning 8:30 a.m. That.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. Thanks. Yes, it's 8:30 a.m. IST only. 8:30 a.m. IST for Linux up to 1 week. And meanwhile, guys, everybody, can you please ping me here? So I'm giving my WhatsApp number here. Everybody, can you please ping me in WhatsApp? So I'll give you the course content. And if you have any questions also, you can ask me. I am going to create a WhatsApp group for you guys.
Okay.
So that if
It's
you
good.
have any questions, anything and all, ping me, guys. Directly ping me. Don't ping your number. Ping from your WhatsApp. Ping me in WhatsApp. Everybody.
Amar, what is
Guys,
your WhatsApp number?
I pinged in group chat. Yeah. Everybody, can you please ping me in my WhatsApp? So guys, you will get this recording plus what I can say, apart from recording, you will get course content. Okay, so everything you will get. Can you please ping me in WhatsApp? So I'm going to create WhatsApp group for you. So just a minute. So if meanwhile, if you have any questions, guys, you can ask me.
Amar,
And
actually,
tomorrow
what is
onward,
8:30 a.m. IST Linux is okay. Then what about 7:15 a.m.?
DevOps classes. These are
Okay,
the two
means
batches I have.
okay. The current batch is 8:30, na, or 7:15?
Actually, that's what I am saying. Linux, actually, I'm taking separately. So because
Okay.
Linux is a prerequisite, right? So Linux I'm
Mm-hmm.
taking separately. It's not a actual timing. Say 8:30 is only for 1 week until Linux complete.
Okay. After that,
After
it will start
it
at
will be
7:15 more.
exactly 7:15 a.m. or 7 p.m. IST. Both are there. You can choose one of the batch, whatever you need.
Okay, both will run parallelly, I think.
Parallel means may not be same tool, might be different tools. Both are different batches completely, independent batches. You can join one of the batch anywhere, your wish. Got it?
Hi sir, this is Amarnath Singh.
Yes, Amar, tell me.
Actually, yeah, actually, I heard from someone that Python is also required for DevOps.
It's required means mandatory is different, additional advantage is different. Okay, here to learn DevOps, Python not required. But with the DevOps, Python is required with additional advantage. So here I'm covering shell scripting, not Python.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
It
so
means
Python,
shell scripting, Linux shell scripting, and Python scripting both will do same work.
yes, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
And one more question, sir. You are saying that actually I'm not comfortable in morning batches because my stand-up call start from 9:30 a.m. or
Uh-huh.
maybe before.
Uh-huh.
You are saying that 7 p.m. IST another batch is going on. Both the batches will cover same content or different content related with DevOps.
Everything same.
Okay. Then 7 p.m. batch when it will start or it has already started.
After Linux only.
Okay.
Okay. So guys,
Okay,
everybody,
fine.
I just I'm pinging you. Whoever pinged me, I'm pinging WhatsApp group. So please join there, guys. Everybody, I got only some pings. Still, so many did not ping me. Can you please, everybody, guys, ping in the group, maybe in WhatsApp. Only some people only pinged me. So around how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7 people pinged me. Minimum 60 working days, guys. Everybody, can you please ping me in, guys? Only 7 people ping me out of 15. Remaining also, can you ping me in WhatsApp? If you have any problem, maybe give me your number here. I'll
Yeah,
ping you.
we joined in the group.
Yeah, only that's what I'm saying. Around 6 to 7 people only pinged me. Remaining still. So maybe let me give that ID. So just a minute here, guys. So others, can you please ping me in WhatsApp group? I need WhatsApp group, WhatsApp number, guys. Everybody.
Amar, the class will start at 7:15 DevOps class and ends at 8:15 or 8:30.
It depends. Maybe sometimes 8:15, 8:30, 8:45 also.
Okay, okay. Because total it will take 3 months time.
60 working days.
Yeah, 60 working days. The weekly five days or 6 days.
Yes, weekly 5 days only.
Okay, 5 days. Okay, 5 days.
Yeah. So maybe you can ask actually guys, I have to leave now. Okay, so maybe we can discuss if you have any questions and all, we can discuss in tomorrow class also. Okay. So
Tomorrow at
tomorrow, guys,
8:30.
make
Hello,
yes,
hello, Manoj Kumar
yes.
and Srinivas. Actually, by mistake, they have pinged me so that it is better ping to Amarender sir. My name is also Amar, so that maybe, and I have shared my number so that by mistake you have shared me, you have pinged me.
Oh, okay.
Manoj,
So guys,
Srinivas.
my number is 7204561 9870. So ping me in that number, not in Amar Singh is different. Oh, it seems Amar Singh, like you got the pings, I think so. Guys, everybody, can you ping in my number 720-456-9870? That is my number. Okay. Yeah.
Amar, where is the syllabus?
I will ping you. I'll ping you in the group chat itself.
Okay.
Okay. So link will be same for next 1 week, guys. Same link. Okay. You don't need to wait for a link. Same link and video also I will post in group chat. So make sure that everybody please ping me in WhatsApp. So you will get if you need a recording, please ping me in WhatsApp. I got only 7 pings till now. So still so many people not ping me. I don't know maybe whether you have any problem or not. Yeah. Okay then guys. We'll meet again tomorrow same time. Okay. 8:30 a.m. IST. So next 1 week same link. Hope to see you again. Thank you. Thank you very much guys for joining.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.